How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows after update? First step, search for run and type the following text ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Network page will appear. In this you need to right click network. Click disable. Once disable, after you need to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Again one more time right click and enable it. Once enabling, after right click, click properties, click configure, click advanced, click preferred band. Depends on you, you can set the preferred band. Click OK. Next step, search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for WLAN autoconfig. Right click, click properties. Make sure the startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. And one more time right click and restart it. Close it and move on with next step. Click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset, click reset now and reset it. And move on with next step, search for command prompt, click run as administrator and type the following text sfc space/scan now. Click OK and wait for some time. Is actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will remove it. Verification is completed, there is no error. Exit it and move on with next step. Uninstall latest Windows update. Click settings, click Windows update, click update history, click uninstall updates. Remove most recent updates. Remove it. Click uninstall and uninstall the recent update. And move on with next step. The last and final step, search for device manager. Click it. In this you need to search for network adapters. Right click, click scan for hardware changes. And one more time right click, disable device. Once disabling, after right click and enable it. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.